If you've lost access to your WhatsApp account and cannot receive verification codes, there are alternative methods to regain access. Follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Launch the WhatsApp application on your device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to proceed with the recovery process. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. On the login screen, tap on the Forgot Password option. This will guide you to the recovery options available for your account. Step 3. Choose Recovery Method. You will be presented with different recovery methods. Select the option that allows you to recover your account without a verification code, such as using your linked email address or answering security questions. Step 4. Follow the instructions. Carefully follow the on-screen instructions provided for the selected recovery method. This may involve receiving a recovery link via email or answering security questions to verify your identity. Step 5. Set a new password. Once you have successfully verified your identity, you will be prompted to set a new password for your WhatsApp account. Choose a strong password and confirm it to regain access. After completing these steps, you should be able to access your WhatsApp account again. If you continue to have issues, consider reaching out to WhatsApp support for further assistance.